Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bakamzitho is about uBhebs Odumo. We know that uBhebs Odumo was married to uMampintsha, bahlukaniswa ukufa because uMampintsha washona 2022 on the 24th of December, guys. And ever since uMampintsha wadlula emhlabeni, uBhebs Odumo has never been in any podcast or radio station talking about ukushonela umyeni wakhe, which is uMampintsha, guys. And it was so sad, guys, because uMampintsha iPickNuz beseyibuyile and uBhebs Odumo bengacela ukuthola umntanabo womfana, which is their firstborn son, uSponge. I don't know the real name of Sponge, but they used to call umntwana uSponge, guys, or they are calling umntwana uSponge. But okay, guys, there's a reality show that is called Wena Wodumo that is playing on Moja Love Saturday, every Saturday 8:30, guys. Yesterday it was the first episode of Wena Wodumo. I think this is the reality show Yaga Bebs, but obviously they are also showing a female Mampintsha, and on the reality show they've also showed Mama Mampintsha. I think the reality show yaqala ukushutwa mhlambe Mama Mampintsha sesekhona emhlabeni. We know that Mama Mampintsha washona 2023 ngoJanuary. Shortly after uMampintsha aqeda ukushona, it was even less than a month umama Mampintsha wandlula emhlabeni. So I guess baqala ukushuta umama Mampintsha saphila, and kusho ukuthi ithatha isikhathi ukuthi idlale. I don't know why, but they do know ukuthi why. And I guess the reality show is over with a lot of fire, and we'll get to know Bhebs Odumo more. We know that Bhebs Odumo noMampintsha, they had their own reality show, but back then Bhebs Odumo bangakashadi, Bhebs Odumo bekasesumntwana. Now she's old, uqeda ukulahlekelwa umyeni wakhe, unomntwana, yabo, saka unkosikazi, saka umama futhi. But again, the first episode, guys, a lot of people are not happy. I for one, I was not happy because they were talking about the time Mampintsha sesesibhedlela, bayasho ukuthi uMampintsha wangena esibhedlela washonela esibhedlela on the 24th of December 2022 ngo-6 a.m. and umama Mampintsha uthi yena wezwa ngabomakhelwane, wabona endabeni nabantu nje bamfonela bamduduza ukuthi umntana wakhe akasekho emhlabeni. uBhebs Odumo nefamily yakibo Bhebs akekho no one owazama ke ukuthi atshele ifamily yakibo Mampintsha ukuthi uMampintsha akasekho emhlabeni. Maybe batshela the father side, but azange bamtshele umama kaMampintsha. uBhebs Odumo uthi reason ukuthi angatsheli uMampintsha ukuthi uMampintsha akasekho emhlabeni into uMampintsha wamtshela yona asesesibhedlela asagula. uMampintsha wamtshela ukuthi baby, please don't tell umama anything. Uthi nalokho asesibhedlela umamakhe uBhebs, uMampintsha didn't want ukuthi umamakhe azi ukuthi usesibhedlela and uyagula. uBhebs went to a stand whereby bakangafuna, azange avumele ifamily yakibo Mampintsha ukuthi ibone uMampintsha, bathi umzimba kaMampintsha azange undlule kibo. You understand? Sisika Mampintsha uyasho ke uPinky, uyasho ukuthi they were not happy about this situation. And mina, guys, I don't wanna lie, yabo umuntu ningahlala ke makagula, angithi uyasho ukuthi maybe ningatsheli umndeni wami unama reasons wakhe, of which I think we'll get to know more about the reasons. And if you've watched reality show kaMampintsha no Bhebs, you'll know that umama kaMampintsha never really loved uBhebs, but that doesn't give uBhebs right ukuthi uMampintsha ngasekho emhlabeni angatsheli mama Mampintsha. I mean, like umama Mampintsha has the right umntana wakhe lo, you understand, even though we know that uBhebs umfazi. A lot of people here, they are saying uBhebs wabeka wrong. I even say uBhebs beka wrong, even if bangafuni ukumtshela, bakangatsheli babakhe ukuthi baba ngicela ungitshelele umama kaBhebs, ubaba kaMampintsha, sorry, or ifamily yakibo Mampintsha ukuthi uMampintsha akasekho emhlabeni, nokuthi bazoyizwa endabeni, guys. It was so wrong. Even so abanye abantu bathi uBhebs bakangekho wrong bekuyiwishi kaMampintsha, guys, but it's so wrong ukuthi uzozwa ngokushona kwakini ebantwini. It is so wrong, guys. It is so wrong. Mina ngifile nje ipeni yakamama Mampintsha, ngayifila nepeni yakasisi kaMampintsha, as much as uBhebs yena angayiboni reason ukuthi sisi kaMampintsha ukwatiswa yini, ngoba uthi sisi kaMampintsha uhlala sendabeni zakhe. But kubuhlungu ukuthi ekugcineni Mampintsha bokubhudi kaPinky, and uPinky une-right ukuthi akwade, neve ubuhlungu ukuthi ukushona kabhuti wakhe, ukudlula emhlabeni kabhuti wakhe uzokuzwa ezindabeni nakubomakhelwane. I understand how can ukuthi urelease i-press statement utshele abantu bezindaba everyone ukuthi uMampintsha akasekho emhlabeni ungatshelanga umama wakhe omzalayo. Mina I felt nje ukuthi i-wrong, and now I understand ukuthi wayemngcwabeni kaMampintsha. It looked like umama kaMampintsha engathi mani beyibonakala lento ukuthi engathi kunengcabane nyana, engathi yebo kukhona into engekho right. But ke bazalwane bami, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.